والذين سعوا في آياتنا معاجزين أولئك أصحاب الجحيم.
Whereas those who strive against our signs, seeking to profane them, they are the friends of the fire.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك من رسول ولا نبي إلا إذا تمنى ألقى الشيطان في أمنيته فينسخ الله ما يلقي الشيطان ثم يحكم الله آياته والله عليم حكيم.
Never did we send a messenger or a prophet before you, O Muhammad, but that whenever he had a desire, Satan interfered with that desire. Allah eradicates the interference of Satan and strengthens his signs. Allah is all-knowing, all-wise.
ليجعل ما يلقي الشيطان فتنة للذين في قلوبهم مرض والقاسية قلوبهم وإن الظالمين لفي شقاق بعيد.
He does this in order that he may make the evil caused by Satan a trial for those in whose hearts there's sickness of hypocrisy, whose hearts are hard and vitiated. Surely these wrongdoers have gone too far in their dissension.
وَلِيَعْلَمَ الَّذِينَ أُوتُوا الْعِلْمَ أَنَّهُ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكَ فَيُؤْمِنُوا بِهِ فَتُخْبِتَ لَهُ قُلُوبُهُمْ وَإِنَّ اللَّهَ لَهَادٍ الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ.
He does this in order that those endowed with knowledge may know that it is the truth from your Lord, and that they may have faith in it, and their hearts may humble themselves before Him. Verily, Allah always directs those that believe to the right way.
ولا يزال الذين كفروا في مرية منه حتى تأتيهم الساعة بغتة أو يأتيهم عذاب يوم عقيم.
The unbelievers will not cease to be in doubt about it until the hour suddenly comes upon them, or the chastisement of an ominous day overtakes them.
الملك يومئذ لله يحكم بينهم فالذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات في جنات النعيم.
On that day, all sovereignty shall be Allah's, and He will judge among them. Then those who believed and acted righteously shall be in gardens of bliss.
والذين كفروا وكذبوا بآياتنا فأولئك لهم عذاب مهين.
A humiliating chastisement awaits those who disbelieved and denied our signs.
والذين هاجروا في سبيل الله ثم قتلوا أو ماتوا ليرزقنهم الله رزقا حسنا وإن الله لهو خير الرازقين.
As for those who migrated in the way of Allah, whereafter they were slain or died, Allah will certainly grant them a goodly provision. Indeed, Allah is the best of all those who provide.
لَيُدْخِلَنَّهُمْ مُدْخَلًا يَرْضَوْنَهُ وَإِنَّ الله لعليم حليم.
He will surely admit them to a resort which will please them. Most certainly, Allah is all-knowing, most forbearing.
ذلك ومن عاقب بمثل ما عوقب به ثم بغي عليه لينصرنه الله إن الله لعفو غفور.
That indeed is so. As for him who retaliates in proportion to the excesses committed against him and is thereafter again subjected to transgression, Allah will surely aid him. Verily, Allah is all pardoning, all forgiving.
ذلك بأن الله يولج الليل في النهار ويولج النهار في الليل وأن الله سميع بصير.
So shall it be, because it is Allah who causes the night to emerge out of the day and causes the day to emerge out of the night. And Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
ذلك بأن الله هو الحق وأن ما يدعون من دونه هو الباطل وأن الله هو العلي الكبير.
So shall it be, because Allah, He is the truth, and all whom they invoke instead of Him are false. Allah is most high, all great.
ألم تر أن الله أنزل من السماء ماء فتصبح الأرض مخضرة إن الله لطيف خبير.
Do you not see that Allah sends down water from the sky, whereby the earth turns green? Verily, Allah is subtle, all aware.
له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإن الله لهو الغني الحميد.
To Him belongs all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth. Surely, Allah, He alone is self-sufficient, praiseworthy.
ألم تر أن الله سخر لكم ما في الأرض والفلك تجري في البحر بأمره ويمسك السماء أن تقع على الأرض إلا بإذنه إن الله بالناس لرءوف رحيم.
Have you not seen how Allah has subjected to you all that is in the earth, and the vessels that sail in the sea by His command? And it is He who holds back the sky, that it may not fall on earth, except by His leave. Surely Allah is most gentle, ever compassionate to people.
وهو الذي أحياكم ثم يميتكم ثم يحييكم إن الإنسان لكفور.
And it is He who has endowed you with life, and it is He who causes you to die, and it is He who will then resurrect you. Man is indeed extremely prone to denying the truth.
لكل أمة جعلنا منسكا هم ناسكوه فلا ينازعنك في الأمر وادع إلى ربك إنك لعلى هدى مستقيم.
For every people we have prescribed a way of worship which they follow. So, O Muhammad, let them not dispute with you concerning this, and call them to your Lord. You are certainly on the straight way.
وَإِن جَادَلُوكَ فَقُلِ اللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ.
And if they dispute with you, say, Allah knows well what you do.
الله يحكم بينكم يوم القيامة فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون.
Allah will judge among you on the day of resurrection concerning matters about which you disagreed.
ألم تعلم أن الله يعلم ما في السماء والأرض إن ذلك في كتاب إن ذلك على الله يسير.
Are you not aware that Allah knows all that is in the heaven and the earth? Surely it is all preserved in a book. Indeed, that is easy with Allah.
وَيَعْبُدُونَ مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ مَا لَمْ يُنَزِّلْ بِهِ سُلْطَانًا وَمَا لَيْسَ لَهُم بِهِ عِلْمٌ وَمَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ مِن نَصِيرٍ.
Instead of Allah, they worship those concerning whom He has revealed no sanction and concerning whom they have no true knowledge. None shall be able to help such evildoers.
وَإِذَا تُتْلَى عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتُنَا بَيِّنَاتٍ تَعْرِفُ فِي وُجُوهِ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا الْمُنكَرَ يَكَادُونَ يَسْطُونَ بِالَّذِينَ يَتْلُونَ عَلَيْهِمْ آيَاتِنَا قُلْ أَفَأُنَبِّئُكُم بِشَرٍّ مِّن ذَلِكُمُ النَّارُ وَعَدَهَا اللَّهُ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا وَبِئْسَ الْمَصِيرُ.
When our signs are plainly recited to them, you will perceive utter repugnance on their faces, and it all but seems as if they will soon pounce upon those who recite our signs to them. Say, shall I tell you what is worse than that? The fire with which Allah has threatened those who disbelieve, that is truly an evil end.
يا أيها الناس ضرب مثل فاستمعوا له إن الذين تدعون من دون الله لن يخلقوا ذبابا ولو اجتمعوا له وإن يسلبهم الذباب شيئا لا يستنقذوه منه ضعف الطالب والمطلوب.
O people, a parable is set forth. Pay heed to it. Those who call upon aught other than Allah shall never be able to create even a fly, even if all of them were to come together to do that. And if the fly were to snatch away anything from them, they would not be able to recover that from it. Powerless is the supplicant, and powerless is he to whom he supplicates.
ما قدر الله حق قدره إن الله لقوي عزيز.
They have not formed a true estimate of Allah. Indeed, Allah is all-powerful, almighty.
الله يصطفي من الملائكة رسلا ومن الناس إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah chooses messengers from among angels and from among human beings to convey His command. Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم وإلى الله ترجع الأمور.
He knows all that is before them and that which is hidden from them, and it is to Allah that all affairs are returned.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا اركعوا واسجدوا واعبدوا ربكم وافعلوا الخير لعلكم تفلحون.
Believers, bow down and prostrate yourselves before your Lord, and serve your Lord, and do good that you may prosper.
وجاهدوا في الله حق جهاده هو اجتباكم وما جعل عليكم في الدين من حرج ملة أبيكم إبراهيم هو سماكم المسلمين من قبل وفي هذا ليكون الرسول شهيدا عليكم وتكونوا شهداء على الناس فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة واعتصموا بالله هو مولاكم فنعم المولى ونعم النصير.
Strive in the cause of Allah in a manner worthy of that striving. He has chosen you for His task, and He has not laid upon you any hardship in religion. Keep to the faith of your father Abraham. Allah named you Muslims earlier and even in this book, that the messenger may be a witness over you, and that you may be witnesses over all mankind. So establish prayer and pay zakah and hold fast to Allah. He is your protector. What an excellent protector! What an excellent helper!